Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Nurani Sanur. In this video, I will answer there are 9 questions from Serkahar. Subject is psycholinguistic. The first question is, what do you know about the formulation stage? Okay, according to Garrett 1979, the formulation stage refers to the activity of creating or preparing language production by selecting appropriate word and sentence structure combined to make meaningful speech. And syntactical knowledge refers to a speakers of putting the properties of language together, lexical and grammatical properties, which will convey his abstract concept in mind to be spoken in communication. And the next question is, what is the relationship between formulation stage and syntactical knowledge? The first quotation, Garrett 1979, explained that formulation stage involves creating and organizing speech by selecting appropriate words and sentence structure. The second quotation, Kaharuddin 2021, clarifies that this process requires syntactical knowledge, which is the ability to combine lexical and grammatical properties to transform abstract concept into spoken sentence. The formulation stage depends on syntactical knowledge. In other words, syntactical knowledge is the syntactical skill used in the formulation stage to produce grammatical correct and meaningful speech. Okay, next question. What are the difference among lemma, lexem, word vocabulary as well as entry? Okay, my answer is knowledge of lemmas, knowledge of the meaning or concept, knowledge of lexemes, knowledge of the correct word from form to use, and then knowledge of grammatical accounting, knowledge of how to arrange word into the grammatical correct sentence. Next question is, what do you know of grammatical accounting in the formulation step? Explain your answer, give example. Okay, my answer is the articulation stage. Implicit knowledge of grammar refers the knowledge of constructing sentence we have that is gathered from personal experience and context. This is according to Ellis N.C. 2008. This knowledge is the one we use to assemble lexemes into coherent sentence that will represent concept or fact in our mind. Okay, next question is, what do you know about the articulation stage and phonological knowledge? The articulation stage refers to the act of pronouncing concept that produce a series of clear. And then phonological knowledge may be understood as our ability to construct sentence according to the concept existing in our mind and pronounce them with proper speech sustainable according to phonological rules according to Chomsky 2014. Okay, next question is, what is the relationship between articulation stage and phonological knowledge? Okay, relationship between formulation and syntactical knowledge. Formulation in the stage is the stage in language production where a speaker organizes word and sentence structure. Syntactical knowledge refers to a person's understanding of grammar rules, how words are arranged to form correct. Okay, next question is, what is phonological rule and what are characteristic? Explain your answer. Okay. There are three phonological rules. The first one is phonological rules are intuitive, and the second is phonological rules are thought and unconscious, and the last one is phonological rules have language productivity. And next question is, what do you know of phonological encoding? Phonological encoding is the process of converting words or ideas into specific sound patterns before speaking. And the last question is, as a whole, can you explain the process of language production? Okay, I will speech. The first one, speech. This is the physical aspect of language production or hearing sound through the ears. And the second is perception. The brain identifies and separates sound from speech, stream recognize meaningful. And the next is word recognition, and next is parsing, and the last is interpretation, understanding the speech. Finally, the meaning of the entire utterance is understood in connect. Okay, maybe enough my answer. I'm sorry if I have mistake. Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.